Hello, namaste. My name is Hariharan Iyer, the Enter Trainer. I'm a motivational speaker, corporate trainer, Reiki Grandmaster, and an author. And I'm also the founder and chief mentor of my organization, Hariharan School of Success Education. And I'm extremely delighted today to welcome you to yet another wisdom nugget on my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to talk to you about one of the most, perhaps the most important subject in our lives, happiness. How to be happy in life? That's a very tricky question because considering also the fact that we're going through very difficult times right now, and to keeping yourself mentally stable, emotionally happy is definitely a challenge. Having said that, we could look at a couple of principles which could help us to keep ourselves more or less happy in life. Yes, there would be times when things wouldn't go our way, we would be down, we would not feel like doing the things that we really love doing, also sometimes. So, we could go through some moments of self doubt, all those things will happen because that's part of life. However, I have come to understand that happiness doesn't have a very simple, straight path. It's a 50-50 game. Now, what do I mean by it's a 50-50 game? It's not that I just do this, and that, and I will always be happy in life. No. A lot of things can change which can upset your calculations. So, happiness is a 50-50 game. And what do I mean by 50-50 game? 50% of your happiness comes from your ability to do the things that you really like doing, or to be with the people that you really love being with, or having things happen in a certain way in your life which are in your favor. So that's 50% of the game. The other 50% is your ability to cope with the things that really don't go your way, that you really don't like doing, the struggles that you have to go through in life sometimes. But if you ask me, the first 50% is what life does to you in certain ways. The remaining 50% is what you do to life in certain ways. And that's more challenging, it's more exciting. So, what I'm trying to tell you essentially is if you are able to handle that 50% of your life, which is not really great, so to say, on face value, which is challenging, which tests you at various stages, which calls for a lot of resilience and persistence, makes you cry sometimes, makes you go through pain sometimes. If you are able to cope with that, if you are able to go through that, if you are able to accept that as a challenge, if you are able to show resilience there, show maturity there, evolve yourself into a better person through those challenges of life, then you can actually seriously enjoy that 50% which has been given more or less like a gift to you. And this 50% eventually will also start looking like some form of happiness only because it's helping you to become a better person. So, happiness does not come from only the things that go in your favor. In fact, a lot of happiness comes from your ability to, to face situations that are not really in your favor. If you get to a situation in life where you accept circumstances as opportunities, difficult circumstances as opportunities, and you get to a situation in life and you train yourself to be able to create some really wonderful circumstances and situations for yourself and the people around you, then I think you will build a great partnership with life. Many times people are kind of seeing this as two separate entities, me and life. No, I think it's a beautiful partnership. And life is there to make you happy and also make you sad sometimes. It's a package deal. But if you build a purpose around your life, then you can more easily overcome the obstacles that come your way. So, happiness is a 50-50 game, and it calls for compromise, it calls for patience, It calls for a bit of test match attitude and not just T20 cricket attitude. Right. So I hope I've been able to add some value to your life through this little nugget of wisdom which I keep sharing on my YouTube channel. I'd be delighted if you can post your comments here, share your thoughts around it, and please do share this video with as many people as you can, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll be back soon with one more nugget of wisdom, and I hope to keep adding some value to your life continuously. Thank you very much. God bless you, and please do take good care of yourself.